Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a lace wig for y'all, and the wig I'm gonna be reviewing is from none other than Unice Hair. I have reviewed their hair before, and let me tell you, they are one of my favorite hair company, and I'll see if I have enough time by the end of the video to tell you guys why. In the box they sent me this thing. It is actually a makeup brush inside of this cute little thing that holds it. I really like it. I didn't get enough clip with my camera, so I had to take a few more. I also had this wig cap, and they also sent me some lashes. I don't know what happened to the clips, but I had to use my phone to get more. Anyway guys, this is the hair that they sent me. It is a straight lace front wig. I'm gonna tell you guys soon what the length is, but I just could not maintain my what should I say, like I was so happy when I saw the hair. Like, it looks so good. This is the reason why y'all see me acting like this in the video. Like, it is so good. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleach, like pre-everything, let's just say that. The hair looks so good just looking at it, and I didn't put it on yet, so I was very excited when I saw it. As like most of the wigs that I've been reviewing, it has two clips in the side, and it also have one in the back of it. This wig also have an adjustable strap on it, which will help to hold it on more secure when you put it on. So the lace on the wig is 13 by 4, and the length of the wig is 24 inches. I will leave all the detailed information in the description box so you guys could find it if you're interested. So definitely check that out. I'm gonna be gluing the wig on today because I have plans of going away for the weekend, and I want to have it on for that trip. So for that reason, I'm gonna be doing a ball cap, and this is the reason why I'm gelling down my edges to tuck them away underneath the stocking cap. The stocking cap I'm going to be using today is one of those HD wig cap. Now I'm using my Got To Be Glued freeze spray to secure it down around the edges of my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and I like to just cut the rim off of the lace first and just pull it back onto the top of my head. I feel like it holds it on better. It makes it feel tighter and everything, so I like to do it this way. Now I'm using some bronzer to tone down the color of the stocking cap that's on my skin. Now it's time to put the wig on to see what it looks like. I'm going to use some of this edge wax stick on the front of the hair to hold down the baby hair while I secure the wig on. I like to rub it up in my hand, then apply it onto the hair as opposed to applying it directly onto the hair. Before I start to glue my hair down, I'm going to be using these two butterfly clips to hold the hair back, and this is going to also help to get the hair or keep the hair out of my way while I glue it down. I'm going to keep the hair on and just fold back the lace before adding the glue onto my skin. I'm also going to be cleaning off my skin with some rubbing alcohol before applying the glue. The glue I'm going to be using today is the Kiss Almighty Bond, but I honestly think I need to upgrade on these lace glue. So if any of y'all have any recommendation on a good lace glue, definitely let me know in the comment box. I would really appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply 2 thin layers onto my skin before I put the lace wig down, but I kind of wish I did just one because I don't know if it's the glue getting old or what it is, but because I actually do have this glue a while now, but for some reason I feel like it wasn't doing its job like it usually do. Now that the glue has changed to clear, it's time to put the lace wig down on it, so that's what I'm doing now. And now I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down with this edge elastic band. This actually came with the wig and I totally forgot about that. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna use to tie it down and allow it to dry. Now that it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of it. And y'all see how good that lace look up against my skin? Like, this is Unice hair, guys. Unice hair. This is some good hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Ebin holding spray on it. I kind of wish I didn't because I feel like the wig looked perfectly fine before spraying it on there, and then after I did, it didn't look that great anymore. But it could be my fault, I didn't allow it to dry properly. But yeah, after I took the thing back off, I really didn't like the way it looked. I'm actually gonna go with a side part, but I would not advise you if you get this wig to go with a side part because the side of the lace doesn't go back as far as the middle. I made it work, but it might be a little bit of a hassle for you to do it, so just be mindful of that if you get this wig. So because the hair was laying a certain way, in order to get it nice and flat on the top, this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be parting it in section, applying my edge wax stick, and then smoothing it down with my flat iron, and I'm gonna keep doing this until I get through the entire thing on the top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the elastic band off, and this is what I didn't like with how it looked. I think maybe it's because I didn't allow it to dry enough. I don't know what the heck caused that, but I was not pleased at all. I was blaming the glue, I was blaming the freeze spray, I was blaming everything, but it could be me didn't allow it to dry properly. Anyway, I'm gonna make some sideburns and then I'm gonna go ahead and fix the white residue that's left on the edge of my hair, because this hair is really nice. So I don't want to be doing no baby hair or anything like that. I want to leave it just the way it is. So I'm just gonna have to figure out how to tone down that white residue look that it has there. So to fix the white residue look that I have going on there, I'm gonna add some bronzer on it. If I had foundation, I would have probably used that too if I had powder foundation close to me, but I didn't, so I'm using the bronzer. I'm also applying some concealer on the parting that I made on the side just to brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go over it as much as I can with my flat iron just to get it looking nice and straight and well done. Since I already did my makeup, all I'm gonna do is change my outfit and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And this is it, guys. I was so happy with the outcome. I was dancing, singing, everything. Like, I just couldn't help it. I think it come out looking so good. I really love the length. The length is really giving. Like, I was wearing this hair everywhere all this week. I went to Atlantic City, I went to Busch Garden, all those places, and this is what I wore to those places. This has got to be one of my favorite wigs to date, but I'm not surprised. It's from In Unice and they always give me good stuff, so I'm not surprised at all. All the details for this wig I'm wearing will be in the description box below, and even if you're not interested in the one that I'm wearing, I'm pretty sure you'll find something on their website that you like, so definitely check out the description box to get the information you need. If you have any questions, y'all, please go ahead and ask them down below and I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. As usual, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!